Hey everyone, I'm Bill. I'm with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel, JR.
How you doing, everyone?
Here at Disturbed Riders, the one and only Dave Moss has adjusted the bike again. Now in the first video, I talked about the tire pressure, and we just went out, and we had to get a little bit of suspension adjustments for the rear because I was kind of getting this shoving in the rear. So take you guys out on a freshly tuned suspension. Tires are probably still a little warm, so we can probably get a half of lap. But yeah, it definitely felt like the suspension was definitely not right. And tire pressures were good, hot off the track again. I went out on a couple of flyer laps, and we were running 23 hot off the track, which is perfect, ideal. So I think we stiffened up the rear, which is also going to help keep the front wheel down. I think we're a little bit loosey-goosey in the rear. So we'll get out a little warm-up lap. So where I mainly felt it was here. I kind of felt like the bike was pushing out just a teeny bit on me. But the major was out in the big fast turns 7 and 8. I felt like the rear was pushing out too far on me. A little bit less comfortable. So Dave is just the master at getting suspension dialed in. One of the cool things is, you know, Dave can just read a tire. You know, he can look at the tire and be like, oh, it needs this or it needs that. So go ahead and get a little heat, a little warm up, probably head up 8 to 9 on him. Yeah, so you know, it was really wheeling a lot earlier, and I've got the wheelie control up at 7. So this should help a teeny bit. So I really urge you guys. I talk a lot about the suspension. I talk a lot about Dave Moss, just because, yeah, I mean, besides the fact that he's just the man, but suspension adjustment is so important. It doesn't matter if you guys are riding on the track. I know we've been on the track all summer. I know we haven't really been on the streets much, but track settings or suspension settings on the track, on the street, you know, Dave again said in the meeting this morning, off the showroom floor, who are these bikes set up? You don't know. And so you always want to get your suspension set up. Now, if you guys are in California, I urge you guys to head over to Dave Moss's website and look at his calendar, because he does a lot in SoCal. He does a lot of events down there. If you guys are in NorCal, you guys are lucky because this is where he's from. So you guys definitely should be hitting up Dave Moss's calendar. And get some suspension work done, you guys. Way off on that one. Definitely feels good. Feels good. Little earlier next time. So my boot burner's back. Another set of boots biting the dust right now. You guys are live here at Thunderhill Raceway as we destroy another set of boots. So the boot burner, you guys asked me about the boot. Now, what's going on with that? So the whole thing with the boot burner is this right side exhaust. You know, when we're on full gas, man, that thing is just a flamethrower. So a lot of you guys have mentioned it doesn't happen to you. So this is... So these straights like this next one, I have to position my right foot forward on the peg, because otherwise my heels just over the exhaust. Probably get into one a little bit hotter. I'm braking a little bit early for one. And I'm not using, I know I need to, I can get in hotter because I'm not using all of the exit. So I could be running out to the outside on one more. Not too bad. So we'll be gentle around this group. Yeah, it feels pretty good. Oh, look, we found the bug now. Stuck in traffic. Tow, babe. Show me what's up. We're going to tighter. Use all the exit. Almost 10 miles an hour faster in that turn right there. Let's see if she, there you go, babe. In a little tighter, in a little tighter. So just to show you guys how fast this V2 is. Now mind you, she has a weight advantage over me geared up. I mean, she's 75. So let's get behind her. Let's see what kind of drive. I think she's walking on me. Whew. So I have to mess with my traction control, I think my traction control is up too high, and the wheelie control is interfering a little bit, so Gonna mess with that next session. Negative one more on the over suspension. So we're gonna head off track. A good little tester out here. So if you guys can recall early in the video, the tire. We're gonna look at the tire wear now with the new suspension setup and see how well the adjustment has worked. I don't feel too much issues with the front end. I do feel like the traction controls interfered a little too much. Yeah, I'm on 3. So I'm gonna go down to 2. Traction control down to, or wheelie control. Slide controls up at 2. So I think we're good there. Let's take a look at the rear tire. Let's see what we think here. Yeah, still probably can come down a PSI or 2. It's a little bit of tearing, not too bad. I think I'm gonna go one more negative on that and drop that PSI down, probably 1 PSI, and we'll go from there. But thank you guys for sticking around. Dave Moss, again, you guys Californians, hit up Dave Moss's website. Look at his schedule. He is all over California. SoCal guys, he's got events down there. NorCal guys, track days, and everything. He's up here. So, what's up, babe? Why are you making me look like shit on the home straight? Still walking away. Thing is fast. So stick around. The S1000 single R is heading up next. So stay tuned. Bye, guys.